So this device right here, as you can see, is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Looks just like this, right? We actually just got this one brand spanking new just a couple months ago, maybe 2 months ago, if that. But now, just like the rumors told us, we have a newer one on the block. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy and see what's in the box. Out with the old and in with the new. Ooh, okay. So to start, looks like we got this to go with it, which is the book cover keyboard. Y'all can see me in the reflection. What's going on? Not much to see on here except exactly what it is. Now we actually have an official keyboard cover for this thing. And what is this thing? This thing is the newer Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. We will put the keyboard cover to the side. We will definitely check that out in just a moment. Alright, so we'll bring the old one in and the new one in. The boxes themselves are the same width, but something I do see when you kind of stack them, the new box is a lot thinner than this one. Does that mean there's less protection, or do you actually get less things with it? So with the S7 Plus, what came included with this? We had 12.4 inch tablet itself, the S Pen, a wall USB charger with no cord, you have to have your own cord, quick start guide, and then the terms and conditions guide, right? Filled in this large box here. The S8 Plus comes with the tablet, same size, 12.4 inches, an S Pen, which is actually an updated S Pen. We'll get into that in just a moment. We have a data link cable and a start guide, as well as the terms and conditions. So this one seems like it comes with the cable with no power brick, and the other one comes with the power brick with no cable. So that is probably why. I'm pretty sure they could have fit a power brick in here. But either way, let's get into it and see exactly how it looks. All right. Nice paper just saying Samsung there. So this S Pen, don't want to get them confused, but let's go ahead and grab the S Pen from our S7 Plus. And let's see what the actual difference is. It's probably just like a response time type of thing. But just looking at them, I gotta remember the new one is in my right hand, old one is in my left hand. They are the same size. Both have one button. It is flat along one angle of it and round on the other three corners. So they look exactly the same to me. Even the tips themselves look the exact same. I guess it's just smarter on the inside. Something else I do notice though is the newer one actually has Samsung in like a white text, and this one, it actually looks the same now, but I guess on camera it looks the same, but in person it looks slightly different. Looks like this one is a darker shade versus this one being whiter. All right, so again, we do have our data cable, USB Type-C. Let's set that to the side. And I guess I was gonna say this is just a placeholder, but again, we do have our SIM key there to actually put extra storage. I believe you can add up to a terabyte extra of storage. Not 100% sure on that, but there should be some information below if you guys would like to check, along with some other paperwork that I'm not really gonna look into. Who cares about that, right? Let's get into the tablet itself. Where do we open it up from? We'll open it from the bottom. Just got the slight adhesive. And here it is. So I forget the color code for this one, but it's just like, you know, a grayish color. I forget the exact color code, but there's not that many colors you could choose from, so you'll know exactly which one it is. Same 2 camera setup here with the flash. We have our magnets to attach to the keyboard, 2 things that it can sit in with the keyboard. You still have the 4 speakers, 1, 2, and 2 more on the other side here. Boom, boom. It's just as thin, and I'm pretty sure with this keyboard here, being interchangeable. It definitely says this keyboard works for the S7 Plus all the way up to the 8 Plus. So as I stated previously, with that being said, I'm pretty sure that I could still use this old case if I wanted to, in addition now to our keyboard case that we got. So should I open this right now? I guess I'm actually going to open this when I actually give it a test. We're going to open this in another video, and we're actually going to do a typing test on it. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you stick around and subscribe, and we'll type up, you know, type up a rhyme or something like that. Type up a little essay or a 16-bar verse or something like that with this keyboard and see how quickly we can get some work done. Let's make sure we got the same connect points. This one in this case that I have, it actually, there's a magnet on the tablet itself, but for now I have it actually just sitting in, you know, a slot for this case, so it won't get bumped off easily like it was before. But now with this one, still one side of this thing being flat, you guys can probably see it a little bit better now. It's flat on one side, the rest of it is round. It should just be able to stick right back here. Where's the actual connect though? It's like something like this. Yeah, it's probably right around here. If I actually had it on, it will let me know that there it is. Y'all seen it just jump. So when it's in the perfect spot that it likes to be in, that's what allows the S Pen to actually recharge itself for the Bluetooth functionality. Same feel, same exact size as the other one. So there is a smaller one that's like 11 inches, I believe. This is the 12.4, which is the same size as the S7 Plus. And then they also have the S8 Ultra, which is 14 inches. But instead of me spending all that money on a tablet, what I do plan to do is keep my eye open on Samsung for them to release a new laptop, and I would much rather have a big screen on a laptop that can do everything I need to do. This definitely does get a lot of my daily work done. However, it still cannot be my daily driver or my main driver for, you know, everything. If I'm traveling, I would still have to rely on my laptop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see what it's looking like on the quality. Hopefully there's some type of charge. So while this thing is booting up, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up off camera, and I will be back with another video showing you guys the differences and the transfer process. Catch y'all in the next one. Welcome to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. Hopefully you guys liked the video you just watched. Just wanted to add a little side note that today's video was fully edited on the device itself, that being the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. I used the program CapCut, which is a free software program that I got from the Play Store. This allowed me to add all my clips. I think I actually did a one take. It was recorded on a Canon camera, imported the files through the USB-C flash drive. Was able to add a bunch of cuts and, you know, effects and fade effects and stuff like that. Got some free audio from the YouTube music library, and it's just a breeze. Of course, there could be better, and I definitely do believe there is a fully, like a more professional program on the way, but just wanted to let you guys know that this thing is fully capable of editing and exporting some video footage. So if you guys have any questions, anything you want me to do with this tablet, even the S8 Plus or the S7 Plus, contact me, drop a comment, like the video, subscribe, let me know, and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. Peace.